Carburetor's on, rebuilt. Not spotlessly clean. Was cleaned it out good inside, made sure all the passages were open. Need to find her. I know I have a bucket, little container full of clamps. Find that or get new ones. Have most of it hooked up. Throttle linkage. The hole has to be drilled out a little bit to fit over the end. I have the wiring harness that I can either change the whole thing, because this has the headlight harness and the engine harness. I actually only need like the engine side of it, because I'm pretty sure I think the headlight harness side is uncut. Besides for, I guess, this one wire that comes down, that's actually for the under hood light, and it actually works. I have a different alternator that was actually on, I think, off the Chevelle. That's for the voltage external regulator style. Try that, and maybe, I don't know. I got the voltage regulator off the parts car with the harness and all the other pieces basically that were attached to the harness. Putting the dual snorkel or air cleaner housing on there, since that's the one off the GTO. The GTO has its own setup for like the Ram Air. It's a 67 style, or not 67, but 68 style. Basically with the scoops open all the time. 69, they had a pull cable that could open and close the flaps for that. I made the pan here myself, and just got the base and the lid and the foam seals from Performance years. So I got them both in the garage side by side now. But that's basically where I'm at with that now. I have like a single snorkel air cleaner that was originally on a 72 Grand Prix I had back in the 90s. This has like one vacuum hose that goes down to here to operate these, close them doors in there to let the heat from the exhaust manifold come up instead of cooler air. So there's supposed to be, there's a piece under here that, circular piece right up in here. There's a tube that ran down to a piece that was mounted to the exhaust manifold to help it heat it up, so it'd get warm air up to the carburetor, especially in the winter. And then once it was warm enough, it would close the little flaps inside there. If you can see the flap, if I don't put the light in the way. And then I could put the light under there to show that. Right here. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Try getting it running next weekend. And then it'll probably end up sitting while I work on that again, which I should be doing actually. Anyway, thanks for watching